Hey friends, welcome to my channel Nathani's Tutorials. Math made simple and easy. In this video, we are going to learn how to factorize quadratic expression by splitting the middle term. The general form of a quadratic expression is always ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So let's take an example. This is a quadratic expression x squared plus 5x plus 6, where the value of a is positive 1, the value of b is positive 5, and the value of c is positive 6. So let's begin with splitting the middle term. So in this expression, the first and the third expression should be multiplied together. So in this case, we have x squared and 6. So when I multiply x squared and 6, I get 6x squared. And the factors of 6x squared are 1x, 2x, 3x, and 6x. So let's see which two numbers when multiplied gives you 6x squared and when added should give you the positive 5x. So it can be 1x into 6x gives me 6x squared, or it could be 2x into 3x gives me 6x squared. But in the first case, when I multiply 1x with 6x, I get 6x squared. But when the two numbers are added, 1x plus 6x, I'm getting 7x. In this case, when I add 2x with 3x, I'm getting 5x. So this is the correct answer. So the factors are 2x and 3x. So let's see how we split the middle term using the factors 2x and 3x. So x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. So I've split the middle term into two parts, 3x and 2x. 3x into 2x gives me 6x squared, and 3x plus 2x gives me positive 5x. Now what is common between these two? X is common, removed outside, and x plus 3 in the bracket. In this case, 2 is common. What we are left out with is x plus 3. So finally, the factorized form of this quadratic expression is x plus 2 and x plus 3. I have listed more examples for practice. The two of these are in green color because they are easy, and the other two are red in color because they are a little challenging. And the solution to which are posted in my next video, you will find the URL of the other video in the description box below. Make sure you practice these and check the answers done.